Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Francia, and I'm back with another video for you guys. If you can't already tell from my title, today is a come with me to my appointment sort of maintenance vlog. Yeah, breathing heavy like this because I'm in a rush and I'm already running late. So yeah, if you watched my previous video, I mentioned this is gonna be a series. It's my birthday week, Pisces gang. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of me this week for you. So tune in and subscribe, smash that notification bell. Yeah. So yes, first thing today's Monday. So we're gonna go to a spa. I have a spa appointment, 60-minute deep tissue massage booked. Your girl body has been aching, you know. I haven't really had a break. Haven't really taken vacation for like, you know, good minute now. So yeah, let's go to the spa and I will see you in the next clip. Bye. Thank you. I have an appointment for Francia. Thank you.
And that's for a deep tissue for 60 minutes?
Yes.
Okay, so you're all checked in. After your service, you'll revert back here for checkup.
Okay.
I'm Leah, and I'll escort you to the changing area.
Okay, great. Nice to meet you. Oh, there you are.
I like your outfit and the camera is matching.
Thank you so much. So pretty.
This is our ladies' dressing area.
Okay. Thank you. Hi.
This is Miss McClone. She's out for muscle eyeliner and she listens to you.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, good. How are you? Good.
It's first time you come?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, great. So I just get unchanged and put everything in here?
Yes, this is you.
Oh.
You are down to luck.
28? Is 28?
Yes.
Okay, so how do I like?
Right. And you press the button.
treatment is 1 hour 𝗙𝗃𝗃 massage.
Oh.
Right. And then based on your consultation, is everything's fine for you. So
this is my back, my legs, my lower back, because then I'm sitting down all day in an office, so those are like areas that I tend to ache in. So yeah, those areas.
So no allergy, right?
Yeah, no allergy.
Maybe you can hang your robe in the hook or just basic on the chair.
Okay.
Then if you don't mind, you take off your jewelry.
Okay, I took some off, but the rest I'm like, okay, I gotta rush. I'm gonna take the rest
It's okay. It's your ring and then
No,
the
it's
bracelet,
okay.
and
I'll
you
take
need
them.
to
This can stay?
decide the-
Okay.
No, I think that one only, the necklace.
The
You need
necklace
to
can
take
stay.
off.
Oh, I need to. Oh, I need to take it
because
off.
it's neck and shoulder.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Well, can you
yeah,
help me take it off
yes.
now? Because I have nails on.
Like full bracelet is alright.
Okay.
And your ring. I think this way maybe.
You got it?
Well,
Okay.
this one. Sorry.
That's okay.
I don't want. This one is thin, so
Mm-hmm.
it's much easier also to do massages.
Okay.
Yeah, two only, right?
Okay.
And then your watch.
Okay. All right.
So I will be outside.
Okay. Thank you. Guys, when I tell you that I was late, your girl was late. But I called them in advance though, and I let them know I was gonna be running a bit late, and they're like, it's okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna undress, cover her eyes, children. I'm kidding. I'll see you guys in the next clip. My battery is dying, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to show you the whole experience, guys. I'll try to. Can't make any promises. So yeah, see you in the next clip. Alright, you guys, so my massage is done. I can finally speak with my outside voice. So now I'm gonna head over to my hair appointment. I love this hair. But I'm gonna switch it up a bit for the, birthday. And we're gonna do color. So can't wait to see how that turns out. But yeah, so I'm gonna head to the salon now, and hopefully my battery allow me to show you guys when I get there. But if it doesn't, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.